As if their building cracking up wasn't enough. Today it was flooding, disrupting shopkeepers at the troubled Mascot Towers. Overwhelmed drains, not for the first time.
Every time it's raining, that's what we do. We just shut the door and we clean outside.
The wet making it even more miserable for the building's displaced residents. Some had the chance to briefly return today to grab belongings, escorted inside one by the building's management.
We're happy to leave it as it is and find out the information as it comes available.
They were the lucky ones. Others have units still restricted.
We don't have access right now. Our unit is not listed in the notice there.
Some with just the clothes they were wearing when forced out of the building on Friday.
I don't have my wallet. I don't have my cards. We don't have like any IDs. We have absolutely nothing.
Owners say the strata's insurance is refusing claims.
This building will have a big black mark against its name forever.
As they confront the prospect of footing the bill to shore up a decade-old building.
These owners here today are going to be out of pocket at this stage.
As residents from this stricken building face an uncertain future, the government maintains it's moving as quickly as it can on new controls for the construction industry. Giving more rights to those living in strata buildings, the Premier says it can't be rushed.
We hope to have the law changed by the end of the year to give people that extra level of confidence.
Right now, badly cracked. Chris Marr, 7 News.